Yeah, guys, this is WhatsApp. WhatsApp as an international platform. It has more than billions of users. It's used by different people, and most of you don't know the hidden tips and the tricks inside it. Most of you don't know some hidden tricks. The reason why I'm here as Eric, admin of New Life Studio News, the best channel which provides you these tips. Okay. Most of you don't know that WhatsApp automatically downloads photos, videos, and audios. This can cause a faster battery drain, phone storage get full, and the internet bundles finishing quickly. So, what is the good news? The good news is that you can stop this in few steps when you stay with me until the end of this video. Here, I'll give you some examples. You hear I'm in different groups, like this one, and then you hear all photos already downloaded. I didn't download them, but they were downloaded directly. Here you see these different groups, and the video were already downloaded. I didn't tap on download manually, but they were downloaded. What does this cause? The media auto download can be done for mobile data, also for Wi-Fi and for roaming. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable all these things so that you can get benefits in less battery usage, more free storage, bundles last longer, and the phone becomes very faster. Many WhatsApp users don't realize that every time someone sends them photos, videos, voice notes, and documents, WhatsApp automatically downloads those files in background without asking permission. And this silent process slowly drains your phone battery, fills up your internal storage, consumes your internet data bundles very fast, and even makes your phone feel slow and hot. But the good news is that you can change a few simple settings inside WhatsApp. You can completely stop auto-downloading on mobile data, Wi-Fi, and roaming, so that media will only download when you tap on it manually, helping you save energy, protect your storage space, reduce data usage, and keep your smartphone run smoothly for a longer time without stress. Let's process with this good tip and tricks in our WhatsApp. Okay, here inside the WhatsApp, tap on the three dots here on the top right, tap on three tops, choose settings. Here you hear in storage and data, tap storage and data. You see here media auto downloaded, media auto download, voice message automatically and download. Okay, what does it mean? When you auto download the while using mobile data, here we have three options. When using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, and when roaming. I will explain you step by step each category so that you can understand it. And when you see that this is not interesting you or this can help you, please disable what is usually useful for disable. Okay, when using mobile data, let's choose this. You hear when using mobile data, the photos, audio, videos, and documents are all downloaded. They are allowed to be downloaded directly. What does it mean? It means when I'm using mobile data, my mobile data, when I have bundles in my SIM card, it means all photos in groups and what my members, my WhatsApp mate send me, my contact, what my chat send me will be automatically downloaded and save it in storage. What this can affect on my phone. It means my phone will work hard. You hear? It can cause the faster battery drain. Then the battery, my phone's battery work hard. Okay, the phone storage get full because all unused or unvalued photos are downloaded and saved. Yeah, all videos are saved in my storage. Okay, the internet bundles finishing quickly. Imagine somebody sends me a 10 megabyte video, a 100 megabyte video. He sent it into group and it is automatically downloaded. It consumes my bundles quickly. The reason why sometimes you register for bundles and after a short time you see your bundles are done. Okay, the reason why you have to disable these things like this, disable all things like this. What does it help you? This can help you whenever you want to download something, you will tap on it manually, right? And when you're connected on Wi-Fi, check it. You sometimes see your phone can be connected on Wi-Fi, like you see me here. You see my phone now is connected on Wi-Fi, and then you see when I'm connected on Wi-Fi, all of these things are downloaded direct. Then you have to disable them like this, so that you cannot consume much Wi-Fi, and also to free up your storage and save your phone from being hot. Because when you sometimes see your phone becomes hot, very hot. This can be the cause all the videos are downloaded direct, right? And when roaming, what does it mean? When roaming is the time you're roaming, you're using international. For example, you can travel into a country and you can roam your smart card, use your native country bundles when you are in another country. This is what they mean when roaming. Also, disable this auto download to easy free up your smartphone and make it very fast. When I do all of this, make sure your phone is running very quickly and your battery will last very long. Okay, you see, these tips were very useful. Another thing I'm gonna show you here, you can disable the auto download into the gallery. Sometimes you see, if they send you the photos from different groups, you find them already in the gallery, and this can fill your storage. Then you can disable this. You can disable the media from being you can disable the media from being saved direct in the gallery, so that you can free up your storage. Okay, how to do it? Here in the settings, tap chat. You see media visibility, tap disable. This will help your medias to stay on WhatsApp and not save it into the storage or into gallery. And then this can help your phone work very fast. Okay, thank you for choosing New Life Tutorial Game Music as the best channel that provides you tips and tricks about smartphone. Please, if you didn't yet subscribe to the channel, you're missing up good opportunity. Subscribe, please, for staying always updated, notified for any new uploads video. Thank you.